Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Jazz. Today I just want to introduce myself and let you guys know who I am and what this channel is going to be about. On this channel I hope to share with you guys what has worked for me on this journey of achieving long healthy hair. So in 2017 I did achieve my goal of waist length hair, and it was so long, so healthy, but I did get a little bored with it. I needed to add a little body to it, so I wanted a change, and change is definitely what I got. I wanted soft layers just because I wanted my hair to have a little bit more body. Not to say I didn't like the cut or anything. I wasn't able to give the cut a chance. I got it cut, I got my hair straightened the very next day. If you know how the weather is in Cincinnati in June, then you know that straightening your hair is probably not one of the best decisions to make. So yeah, sure enough, the next day with the humidity, my hair turned into an afro, and I ended up getting my hair straightened again, which caused me to have a lot of heat damage. And you know, I'm still kind of paying for it. You probably can't really tell right now, but I do have a lot of damage. I do have a lot of damaged ends that I do need to get rid of. So I will be showing a video of me blowing out my hair and actually trimming a lot of my ends. I'll also do like a length check in that same video just to show you guys where I am. I'll show you guys a short video of what my hair looked like when I first came home and I washed it, because it looked a hot mess. It was trash. Like, my hair did not curl, and I'll show you guys some pictures as well, because it was. So this past year, I've been focusing on getting my hair back to a really happy and healthy state. I've been incorporating a lot of new things into my regimen. I've been using a lot of Ayurvedic herbs, a lot of homemade products that I've been using. I've been doing a lot of DIYs that I hope to share with you guys. As you can see, my hair is red. It is a temporary hair color, and it is day 4 of this hair color. It has faded a little bit, but you can still see that it's there. I will be posting a video showing how I achieved this color, so please stay tuned for that. I will also be posting product reviews, DIY recipes, regimens, so if something that is of interest to you, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I not only hope that you guys follow me on this journey, but I hope for you guys to participate and join me on this journey of achieving healthy hair. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time, peace.